If you are searching for a delicious and easy homemade breakfast, then this egg paratha recipe is just for you. This recipe brings together the soft and flaky texture of paratha layered with ghee and flavor of spiced egg coating, making it crispy on the outside and soft inside. It is prepared with simple ingredients. And the best part is, it does not take much time. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix these dry ingredients together so the flour gets coated with oil. Now slowly add 1/4 cup of milk little by little and knead into a soft dough. The dough should not be too sticky or too hard. It must be smooth. Once ready, cover the dough for 15 to 20 minutes. In a small bowl, crack 1 fresh egg. To this, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion, 2 finely chopped green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix everything together. Keep this mixture ready aside as it will be used during the frying step. Take a small portion of the dough and place it on a clean rolling surface. Dust with a little dry flour to prevent sticking and start rolling with a rolling pin. Roll it out into a thin circle. Now cut like this and spread some ghee. Now fold the dough in layers as you can see. This process helps create flaky layers when fried. The layering step is important as it gives the paratha its crispy and soft texture at the same time. Now roll the dough in square shape. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now heat a pan on medium flame and place the paratha on it. Now fry the paratha both sides. Now cool down the paratha and dip into egg mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in frying pan and place the paratha. Now fry the paratha both sides. Once done, you will see a beautiful golden brown paratha with a layer of egg coating outside. Remove it from the pan and place it on a plate with tissue paper to absorb extra oil. Serve it with your favorite chutney, sauce, or even a simple cup of tea. The soft layers of paratha coated with the spicy egg mixture make it the perfect balance of crunch and taste. Whether it's breakfast, tiffin, or evening nashta, this recipe will always bring happiness to your day. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.